Hello beautiful folks on the internet, welcome to Lunatic Earth.
Sports has transformed into an incredible entertainment industry. But some people were bored of the same old competition and came up with bizarre sports ideas that are extremely dangerous. Here are 5 most insane sports you didn't know. Mountain unicycling. For some people, mountain biking was a bit monotonous. So they decided to take their unicycles on the mountains. This sport is called as muni. Basically, players balance and ride a unicycle on a rough terrain. Cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is an annual racing sports festival held in England. Historians believe that this sport was originated around the 15th century. Each year, thousands of people gather on Cooper's Hill to watch contestants chase for a 9-pound cheese wheel. The winner of the race is awarded by a cheese wheel. Caber tossing. Caber toss is a traditional Scottish athletic event in which competitors toss a large wooden pole. This wooden pole is called caber. It is usually made from a large tree, and it's 20 feet tall and it weighs around 200 pounds. The primary goal of the performer is to toss the caber so that it flips end over end. Wing walking. In this sport, competitors walk on the wings of a plane. Yes, you heard that right. This sport came around after the end of the First World War. When the pilots of the fighter aircrafts were unemployed after the war, they started doing wing walking shows to make some money for a living. Since then, people are still performing this insane stunt. Extreme ironing. It is an extreme sport, in which people take ironing boards to remote locations and iron their clothes. People have performed this stunt while skiing, cycling, skydiving, and so on and so forth. Some lunatics took it even further, by performing this insane sport underwater, on top of a car, and even on a trampoline. Where would you like to perform extreme ironing? Let me know in the comments.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. Till then,
Fuck this shit, I'm out.